Have you ever wondered how YouTubers make money? Well, earning from YouTube primarily involves creating engaging content and monetizing it through various channels. Here are some steps to show you how it's done. First, you need to enable monetization. Once you meet YouTube's eligibility criteria, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This program allows you to monetize your videos through ads, channel memberships, and Super Chat during live streams. Next, you need to create content that attracts viewers. This can be anything from tutorials, vlogs, or entertaining skits. The key is to find a niche that you're passionate about and that has an audience. Once you have your content, it's time to optimize it for search. This means using relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. You should also create eye-catching thumbnails and engaging video intros to grab viewers' attention. Now that your content is ready, it's time to promote it. Share your videos on social media platforms, collaborate with other YouTubers, and engage with your audience through comments and messages. Building a loyal fan base is crucial for long-term success. As your channel grows, you can start exploring additional revenue streams. This can include sponsored content, merchandise sales, and brand partnerships. Remember to always disclose any paid promotions to maintain transparency with your audience. Lastly, keep track of your analytics to understand what's working and what's not. YouTube provides detailed insights into your audience demographics, watch time, and engagement. Use this data to refine your content strategy and continue growing your channel. So that's how YouTubers make money. It's a combination of creating great content, building an audience, and exploring different revenue streams. With dedication and hard work, you too can turn your passion into a profitable YouTube channel. The second way to earn money is through ad revenue. YouTube places ads on your videos, and you earn a portion of the revenue generated from these ads. The amount you pocket depends on factors like the number of views, engagement, and advertiser demand. Thirdly, there are channel memberships. This is where you offer memberships to your viewers for a monthly fee. In return, members get access to perks like exclusive content, badges, and emojis. Next, we have Super Chat and Super Stickers. During live streams, viewers can purchase these to highlight their messages or show support. You earn a share of the revenue generated from these purchases. Another way to earn money is through the merchandise shelf. If you have a merchandise line, you can use this feature to showcase and sell your products directly from your YouTube channel. As your channel grows, you may attract sponsorships and brand deals. Companies may pay you to promote their products or services in your videos. This is another lucrative way to earn from your YouTube channel. Affiliate marketing is another step you can take. You can include affiliate links in your video descriptions and earn a commission when viewers purchase products or services through those links. Lastly, there's crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon allow you to receive support from your viewers through monthly subscriptions or one-time donations. To sum it all up, to maximize your earnings on YouTube, focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Consistency, audience engagement, and understanding your niche are key factors in building a successful YouTube channel. Additionally, always stay updated on YouTube's policies and guidelines to ensure compliance and eligibility for monetization. So start your journey today and see where YouTube can take you.